Hey YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We are going to explore an exciting tool that's making waves in the AI world. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech content. Let's reveal the magic behind Perplexity AI. What is Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI is a unique blend of a chatbot and an intelligent search engine. It uses AI, natural language processing, and machine learning to fetch real-time information from various web sources. Perplexity AI features. Perplexity AI comes packed with some amazing features. Content generation. It helps you create insightful content by providing relevant information and suggestions. Accurate information. Thanks to large language models, it delivers precise answers to a wide range of queries. Chrome extension. The Perplexity AI Chrome extension enhances your browsing experience by summarizing active web pages and offering a handy toolbar for queries. How to use Perplexity AI. Wondering how to use Perplexity AI? Ask questions. Just like you'd ask a friend, type in your question and Perplexity AI will find the answer for you. Create content. Need help with writing? Ask Perplexity AI for ideas or to generate an outline for you. And that's Perplexity AI for you. This tool is truly a game changer in the realm of AI. We hope this video helped you understand its features and potential. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.